Hey my youth, you know where you watch?
Yes, me there again, my people. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. See? Yeah, me have some things I want to talk to you about, viewers and subscribers. Alright? Alright, so first things first. I want you to take a look at this picture right here. Yes, I want you to look at this picture right here. Now, this picture shows a musician who goes by the name of Capleton. And do you see what is beside Capleton in that picture, viewers and subscribers? Now, I got the understanding that this picture is being talked about on social media. And some comments that have been made on social media about this picture gave me the understanding that some people on social media talk about this picture because it is said that a musician who goes by the name of Sizzla burned or destroyed plaques that are said to be from a person who goes by the name of DJ Khaled. If you look at the picture carefully, you can see the image of the person who goes by the name of DJ Khaled on that thing that is beside Capleton, viewers and subscribers. So let me know what you see in that picture that is beside Capleton in the comment section of this video. I'm going to move on to an audio. Now I'm going to present an audio to you, my viewers and subscribers. And in this audio, a person said some things that gave me the understanding that the person said that the person bite off someone's finger. And when me hear that part of the audio, viewers and subscribers, it's like my face goes so. You know what I mean? Now, please bear in mind that I am not able to confirm if everything that the person said in this audio are accurate and are even true. But I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to listen to the things that the person said in this audio, and you can let me know what to think about the things that the person said in this audio. You can tell me if you believe or if you do not believe the things that the person said in this audio. Alright? Anyways, here's the audio. Listen for yourself.
My family, good night. This is Wells. Boy, I have a disastrous day today. I went downtown. I don't know if you guys are familiar with March drugstore downtown. I went down there to purchase something. It was 2 of us in the vehicle. When I came out, a man said, cash for gold, cash for gold. But all you guys know me, I have a gold chain on my neck. I went into the store to purchase what I was purchasing. I came up back very quickly. I saw about 4 gentlemen, the same man as a cash gold, and 2 other men stand up and talk. I went into the vehicle backwards. I sit down and shut the door. But my brethren don't want to turn on the AC. I know. Some say to him say drive, them they look suspicious. By the time the man start drive, I will reach Princess Street intersection of Spanish Town Road. I feel bloop in my chest. He said, give me this, whatever, you know the language. But to be honest to God, I reached for the door, but the man have a central lock on the vehicle, so the door couldn't open. Oh. So the next thing I do, I grip his hand. And honestly, gentleman, I bite off his finger. Gentleman, I couldn't have a pull for shooting. When the man opened the door, it was like 5-6 minutes after the whole incident. When I came out of the vehicle, I feel my mouth full with blood. When I spit, I realized that the gentleman's finger dropped out of my mouth. Sirs, that man was running up Spanish Town Road back to the park like a madman. Gentlemen, I couldn't pull to do anything more than just bite off his finger. But I get back my chain, and boy, me shame, because I should have brushed him. And the man in the vehicle with me strapping a big boss. I know the man that come out of the vehicle saying frightened. Big boss with a bite off him one finger. That's all I could do, big boss. So, boy, I'm disappointed in myself because I should have fixed him up. Honestly, I should have fixed him up.
All I read, my people, sometimes some serious conversations and situations sometimes make I can't help but laugh. May I tell you the truth, my people. So may I say, wow. But on a real though, people, I do not appreciate anyone who rob and steal and do all kind of criminal activities. Yes, what I say. So you see if someone go out a road or go anywhere at all and try to rob somebody or try to steal from somebody and certain things reach them or certain things happen to them, I don't sorry for them. See? And me is the kind of person I like to talk down on people and try to bash people. But me nah go sorry for them. Yes, what I say. But let me know what I think about the things that the person said in that audio. I'm going to move on to a video. Now, I saw more than one pieces of videos on social media about a female who is having problem with her eyesight after she tattooed parts of her body. I also read articles online about the female to viewers and subscribers. Allegedly, it is said that the female tattooed her eyeballs. And allegedly, it is said that the female is having problems seeing after getting tattoos to her body. Now, I saw more than one piece of videos that shows the same female, and in at least 2 of those videos that I saw, the female talk about her sight, viewers and subscribers. And I'm going to present a piece of one of those videos to you so that you can hear some of the things that she said. Observe.
Yep, I do actually have sight issues, but whether or not it's caused by the actual eye tattoos or by the inflammation in my skin, the ophthalmologists do not know, because they have seen cases of where skin tattoos have set off people's eyes to go like very bad. You see, like here, if you see, all my tattoos are now becoming inflamed, and this actually happened before my eyes. So the ophthalmologists are telling me that it's possible that the ink on my skin could have set off like an entire reaction everywhere, including the eyes.
Now, people, that piece of video had been posted on social media for some time now. You understand? So there might be a more updated video when it comes on to the things that the female talk about in that video. You understand? But on a real, I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to tell me what to think about the things that the female said in that video. And I really and truly hope that the female is okay and everything will work out alright. Yes, what may I say? Anyways, I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I'm going to present a video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and in this video, a person said some things that gave me the understanding that the person said that the person paid down on a trip to go to somewhere that the person mentioned in this video. And the person also said some more things that gave me the understanding that the person was not pleased with the way how the situation turned out. Something go wrong. See? So I want you to listen carefully to the things that the person said in this video for yourself. Alright? Observe.
Hi, good day. I am currently here at Crystal Tours. I made a down payment on a trip to go to Panama. The trip was supposed to cost $68.95. Initially, I made a down payment of $3,000. Crystal Tours is now telling me that I cancelled my trip. I never cancelled my trip. I had a health emergency at home, and my friend, she ended up going on the trip still, but I told them that I would like to reschedule the dates of my trip for later in the year. Since I had that, I never cancelled my trip because I knew I had already paid down $3,000 on my trip. They are now attempting to lie and tell me that I cancelled. I in no way, absolutely never cancelled my trip. I was speaking to a rep here called seriousskilla, who would have known about the health issues and would have known about we have the messages in chat where I was going to reschedule the trip for a later date. Crystal Tours is telling me, and they are sticking behind the story, that I cancelled my trip and now they are rebooking my trip for me. So they robbed me of my $3,000, stole my $3,000, lying and saying that I cancelled when I never cancelled. I only asked for it to be rescheduled to another time of the year, and I said I was willing to pay whatever ticket change fee might have been involved, which would have only been a couple $100, right? Now they are attempting to charge me the full package price again, outside of my $3,000 for a trip that is only going to be was only going to be about 4 days. So I'm here at the office and I'm waiting to hear what they have to say, because this does not end here. I will be going to the fraud squad about this.
I saw another piece of video that shows the same person who you saw in that piece of video that I presented to you. Now the person went on to talk about the same situation in the other piece of video that I saw. Now, I'm going to explain to you in my words and according to how I understand some things that the person said in that piece of video. So, based on some things that the person said in that piece of video, I got the understanding that the person said that they're lying about hotel change fee and that there was none, because the person said that the person called the hotel directly and that they said that there is absolutely no hotel change fee for the individual, or even if done by an agency. So how that sound to you, my people? Now tell you. Alright, so big up and respect to each and everyone. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Stay safe, walk good.
Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.